Are you getting confused to use English tenses accurately? If you are struggling to construct your tenses and you're getting confused, then let me help you with a simple method for next 7 days. If you can practice it, then it will change the way you are communicating and constructing your tenses. Okay, so hi, this is Srimay Mahapatra, and I'm going to help you understand how you can use the tenses accurately. Okay, the first thing that you should know is what not to do. Okay, and in order to do that, go to grammarly.com/blogs and start going through some of the tenses articles and start giving some exercises, okay, some drills. It'll help you to understand what not to do. See, you have spent a lot of time in theoretical English in your school days. Now you don't have much time, so focus on functional English. And one of the key points of functional English is to know what not to do. So how can you fast forward that learning? By giving exercises. Start straight away from giving exercises, okay, by doing exercises. Okay, now the next thing that I would request all of you to do is to express common day-to-day sentences. Whatever that you are feeling, start expressing. For example, maintain a diary or a journal and start expressing yourself in English. The more you express, the more you are going to learn about your tenses. And not only that, what you can do is you can go to some YouTube channels like TEDx and BBC documentaries. You can also go to some internet articles, blog sites like medium.com, wordpress.com. You can go to blogger.com. There are so many blogging websites where you can read articles and watch videos of your interest. And when you are doing that, pause and study the patterns of usage of the tenses. For example, create 3 columns in your notepad. Type down all the past tense sentences that you saw in the video or you read in the article. Type down all the present tense sentences. Type down all the future tense sentences, and study the patterns, how the auxiliary verbs, the was, the have, the had, all of these are used, how the is, am, are is used, how will and shall is used. So all of this, if you keep doing this for 15 minutes for next 7 days, 5 minutes you spend in grammarly.com/blogs where you know what not to do, and about 10 minutes reading an article or watching a video, pausing it and trying to study the pattern. If you can do this much for next 7 days, you cannot believe the kind of confidence that you will get to use your tenses, the kind of clarity that you will get to use your tenses. Your sentence construction is going to be excellent. Now let me help you with one more hack. Are you ready to learn? Type RTL in the comments below. Yes, the hack is to express yourself in social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, your chat messages. Express yourself, comment, cheer people as much as you can. And while you're doing that, in that process, your tenses skills or your sentence construction skills also improves. Hope this video was really useful to you. If it was really useful, type useful in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I'm really looking forward to share even more hacks with you, practical things which you can use in your life. And if you are someone who is dedicated to learn how to improve your communication skills from average level to excellent level, improve your public speaking skills and improve your soft skills, then don't forget to check the link in the description where you can join our exclusive community for all of you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Keep learning, keep enjoying.